Welcome traders. Had a really great trading day. Plus 920. The account is at $50,591. 591 in the positive. I believe it's day 5. Okay, so Topstep Trading Combine. If you're interested in doing the combine and becoming a funded trader, you can check the link down in the description for a $50 off your trading combine. Make sure you use my link down in the description. It'll get you $50 off your own combine. And I hope you do well. I hope you pass the combine and get funded. Good luck to you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for a recap on today's trade plus $920. Good morning, traders. Made a couple trades last night on oil, crude oil. Made a couple greens, made a couple reds. Got in here at the bottom with 5 contracts. Sold 4 on the way up. 1 here, and 2 here. Still holding 1 with a stop loss slightly below my entry. Ground up all night long. So I'm up 300 on that position right now. Up 650 on the day. The account's back up into the green. $335 into the green. So I plan on holding this position all day to see, can we make it back to the highs? Can we break the highs and move higher? Alright, so the oil news came out. This got really crazy. So right before the news came out, I put my stop 64.19 and it pulled down and stopped me out right before the news. And so I wasn't really happy about that. Anyways, it bounced back up here after the news. I figured it was gonna push up, so I put an order to buy above the market. It actually filled my order but did not rip. It pulled down, so I added a contract. It pulled down some more. I knew there was a really strong support at 64.05 from last night, and it tried to test it. So when I saw the greens coming in on the timing sales and saw it pushing back up, I bought 2 more contracts. So I had an average price of roughly 24 cents on 4 contracts, and when it ticked up here, I went ahead and took 3 of them off for a small profit. So I ended up putting myself back in the same situation that I was in prior to getting stopped out, and actually locked in a couple extra dollars in profit. So now I'm long 1 contract from 64.12. All right, my original average was 64.08. So I have a stop break even on the 1 contract. I locked in some profits, and so we're up 580 on the day, realized 390. So even if this stops me out, I'm guaranteed to make 390 bucks on the day. The account is up 250. And I believe it's day 5 or day 6. I'll confirm that later, and it'll be reflected in the title of this video. But right now I'm just sitting on this contract and willing to make nothing on it. So if it can come back and stop me out, I'll be happy with my 390. We still have FOMC coming in a couple hours, and I might use this profit cushion to take a trade on the NASDAQ. We'll see what happens though. But I'm gonna go get some food and relax for a little bit, and we'll check back in later on. Alright, so I was patient. I was willing to make nothing in order to make everything. I had my stop at break even. This thing has put in an amazing rip. I'm up almost $1,000 on the day. So I'm following this now, following it with a tight stop. I was willing to make nothing to make everything, and I have made everything. No more patience. The time for patience is gone. The time for realizing these amazing profits is here, and I am following this with a tight stop right now. So getting ready to get stopped out any minute now. But I'm not going to limit my profits. I'm not going to just sell it. It's either going to stop me out here, or it's going to keep ripping and I'm going to make more money. But this is it. The time is now. Time to realize these gains. It's 12:30. We have FOMC in an hour and a half, so still have a potential trade on the NASDAQ this afternoon. But for now, I mean, this is going to be it. This is going to be it. The account's up $620. So this is, again, what I was talking about, brushing off those losers. A $600 and $800 L on Sunday night. Brush it off, man. It don't mean nothing. Look how easy it is to make $1,000 in this market. All you got to do is just sit tight, relax. This is 50, somewhere in the neighborhood of 50 ticks. Yeah, 50 ticks right now. $500 on just this one contract, and there it is, and we're out. Game over. $880 on the day. Why does it still say I'm in position? Okay, that's interesting. Now I'm -2. That's not right. And I made $60 somehow. I don't know. All right, so here's what happened. I guess when I put my stop loss at break even, because I had 3 loaded, that order was to sell 3. So what happened was I got stopped out and sold 3, but I only had 1, so I got short 2. All right, so that was my fault, not Topstep. Nothing strange happened. No idea why I didn't realize what I was doing when I was doing it, but hey, I probably should have stayed in it for another minute longer, right? But so let that be a lesson to everybody. Always, always, always make sure that you have your order, you know, your contract size properly loaded before you put your stop losses and then walk away for the day, right? Because this could have been, I could have set that and shut it down thinking it was only going to sell 1 contract, and it had sold 2, and then this thing rip all day and blow the account. So always, always, always make sure you make your orders properly. You know, make sure you hit exit and cancel at the end of the day. Always come back here and make sure that all your orders are either filled or canceled, and that none of them are working, and that you don't have any open positions before you shut it down. All right, every day. Hope you guys enjoy the video. It's been pretty intense. There might be some more trades today. I'm not sure. You know, again, I might trade the NASDAQ after FOMC. We'll see. But at this point, I'm going to call it a day. Hope you enjoy the video. Click like, click subscribe. Join us in the Discord. Thanks for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers and everybody who's interested in this series. My journey to get funded through the Topstep Trading Combine.